Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to create a QR code for a website link. Let's dive in. First, we'll use a free online tool. So start by opening a new browser window and navigating to qr-code-generator.com. This website is straightforward to use. It features a text box where you can input the URL for your QR code. Simply go to the URL section at the top and enter your website's link. In this demonstration, I'll use SEOserviceagents.com as an example. After entering your website, you'll immediately see your QR code appear on the right side. This tool also allows for customization. You can change the frame, shape, and color, and add a logo to your QR code. For the logo, there's an option to upload your own. Once you're satisfied with your design, hit the green download button. Your QR code will then download, and you can access it from your browser's download section or your file explorer. Creating a QR code for a website link is simple with the right tool. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.